Hey guys, welcome back to Unique Beauty. My name is Maria Makagba. Another problem solved with Unique Beauty, guys. For those that will have long hair or short hair, but you're trying to retain long hair, this is what you're supposed to be doing from now on. You see this video, okay, guys? Some of you might come across this video. You might not have the stuff that I'm using here, but if you have them, you've ordered them from me, or you have similar thing like that, you could use it this way, okay? So now this is cleanser water, dry herbs that we soak. Then we leave it to ferment for 3 days. Then we strain it. That's that water. It's so good for hair growth. It stops shedding. It helps grow in your hair. And it also kills most of the infection like itchy, dandruff, you name it. This water can help solve that problem. Okay? Then that same water, we can add it to our shampoo. Just like what you're seeing now. I've added some into the shampoo. Then it becomes cleanser shampoo. When you use these two before washing your hair, it's so good. So as you can see, before I spray in with the cleanser water, this is the dry herbs, by the way. So you go ahead now, you spray with the cleanser water first and leave it for 10-15 minutes before you go and use
guys,
the
you
shampoo.
see, you can always wash your hair like this. You don't have to wash your hair loose, okay? As long as you've got your cleanser water with shampoo. See the cleanser, this is the cleanser, this is the shampoo. You shake very well, okay? You shake very well. You can always use and wash your hair so that you retain length when you do that. When you wash your hair in braids, you retain length, guys, okay? So you don't have to wet the hair. You're not going to wet the hair because the shampoo got water, right? So you just pour it like this, and then you see, you go, you wash, you scrub the lines very well, guys, okay? This woman, she's been using our products. My sister Queen B, she's been using it for longer. Grow her hair very well.
So you put the shampoo and scrub it very well because this help with build up. It help wash the dandruff out. It stop itchy, because if you have your own natural hair, remember some people natural hair always shrink when you wash it loose. This is the reason why you need to wash your hair in braids or cornrow.
Guys, this shampoo make your scalp clean, your hair clean. It takes all the buildup out. Yeah, you can use it while you got braids. Yes, then once your hair dry like this, you moisturize it. This is super clean, trust me. Then you can go twice again. Yeah,
so once the first one you wash it out, then you go in with the second one. Guys, can you see? This shampoo clean your hair. You will not itch your skin.
Guys, this is why I always say you make plenty shampoo so you can use it. You go through the fingers like that and wash it.
Oh, it feels so good.
Eh. This is all her hair. So with this second wash, you can always go with your conditioner, guys, okay? How is it, Queen B?
Yeah, it feels so nice.
Okay, turn it off.
Wash it nicely with the warm water, rinse it well. Then after then, you towel dry the hair. Okay, at this stage, you've got two choice. If you want to apply the cream when the hair is wet, it's the best thing. Then you blow dry it. But mind you, because you had heat to it, you force the hair to dry. It's not good. Always let the hair dry with moisturizer. That's how it locked in moisture. Then it stop that hair from drying further. Okay, just like what I'm doing now. I'm going to apply the whip butter, so you can leave it overnight. The next following day you take it off and do your protective styling. So let's say you can wash it today nicely, treat it with the cleanser water and the shampoo, and then you wash it with the conditioner out. Then after then you put your cream like this after washing it well. Okay, and then you leave it to hair dry. Guys, do it in the morning so the hair can hair dry. Then it locked in moisture, it stop breakage and all that. Trust me, if you keep using that cleanser water to wash your hair, you will not have no breakage. But if you go ahead and you want to use the force, the heat on it, this is why the hair always dry. But if you have the right moisturizer cream and then you moisturize the hair, can you see how the hair got elasticity? It's so good, it's bouncy. That's how you know the hair is moisturized very well. Yes. So you see her edges is intact. She's been using our whip butter, our full line. Her hair is even longer than this. Is because of it's wet. She just want me to control it. But even if I use the dryer, the blow dryer like this brush, it will still not dry because I've already put the whip butter. So the moisturizer it's going into the hair cuticles. You understand? So can you see? It's moisturized very well. But this is why I said moisturize it like today, then the next day you take it off and blow dry it. It's good. Then you add small cream after you blow dry it. Then you go and do back your protective styling. Okay, if you treat the hair like this, you will not have no problem. Plus your diet, you have to be in a strict diet. You see her like this, she takes all her supplements, everything every day. She's on top of her diet, supplement. This is why she wear wigs every day. But look at her, see her edges, because she's on top of everything. Guys, check your iron, check your vitamin D, your food, everything. Contact me, we post everywhere. I will help you today. Yes, guys.